Please welcome our host for the fashion show, Surya Dwapa, our second vice president, and Sutya Ribas, our prefect from Extra Car Fencing. Please give a hand of applause.
Without a horizontal joint or separation at the waist. Instead of relying on dots to shape the garments, the fit is achieved with long seams and shaped pattern pieces. And our theme for this fashion show is Every Girl is a Princess.
So ladies and gentlemen, the first one to show a princess line dress is Pauline together with a smile lines to add color blocking to her dress. She makes the sides right on the side with a modern style that accompanying her is Anita Caslide with a matching tie sewn by Pauline too. Please give a round of applause for these two.
Which gives the color stunning. The shape of the dress fits her well nicely. The dress is suitable for formal occasions. Accompanying hair is dressed with his matching tie, and he is looking handsome. Please give a hand for Anna and his friends.
A blue queen with a striped princess line dress with a white color line between that could give your eyes rolling. Your dress is a modern style that can be worn in many occasions. Accompanying her is Moroni with refused and tie so far.
The off-white top bodice that gives a relaxing look. It is fit beautifully and comfortably while wearing. It is suitable for all functions. Jonas Nader's t-shirt is a handsome partner sewn by this talented girl. Please give a hand for Nikitona and Jonas.
She wear one white stripe across her dress and made the dress
Joyce Thomas and a handsome partner, Arisima Peitar. Her dress is beautified with a white belt that made her dress special and fabulous. Her partner is wearing a matching necktie and is worn by this girl too. Give a hand for them.
And finally, our last model for the day is Needle Satnam with the adorable mermaid dress flaring all the way around. This dress is suitable for party and church meetings. Accompanying her is a partner parallel pediment with a cute match-made necktie. Please give a hand for this.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, these lovely dresses and neckties are sewn by these beautiful and talented girls by themselves. If you want any styles in particular, boys, if you want a shirt, necktie, bow tie, and ladies, if you want a dress, skirt, buletas, or any kind of unique style that you want, you can place your order to these girls and they can do it in no time and they charge each day, or maybe even free, because fashion is their passion. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for our lovely, beautiful, and handsome models and ladies that they have displayed this wonderful afternoon.